Log into your account on HitchPin.com, then click on Menu and choose My Profile. Here, you will have the option to add information to your account to make your experience on HitchPin more customized. To get started, click on the Update Your Profile Photo button. In the circle at the top of your screen, there is a place for your photo. Click Change Photo and upload a photo from your camera roll or saved files. Adding a photo of you increases your visibility to other community members on HitchPin and increases the likelihood to receive offers on your listings. Next, you can add additional details to your profile. The most important to add are your phone number and your address. This helps us make sure we can contact you if you have an offer on your listing. Adding your address helps listings that are closer to you show up first when you browse on HitchPin. Now add your payment information. Including your payment information in your profile allows you to quickly and easily make purchases and get paid on HitchPin. Click Create a New Account. Then choose if you would like to add a bank account or a credit card. Credit cards can be used for making purchases on HitchPin. Bank accounts can be used to make purchases or be paid for items and services you sell. You may add multiple accounts. If you are adding a bank account, please upload a photo of a voided check to confirm your account numbers. This helps ensure the safety and security of your account for all future transactions. Click the checkbox to agree to the terms listed. Then, click Add Account. Congratulations! Your profile is complete. Next, you can create a listing or browse listings in your area.